Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Jennifer.
Hello, Jennifer. Hi, everyone. I'm very happy to be here today.
I'm happy too, Jack. You look very energetic today. Did you have a good morning?
I did. I had a big breakfast and a really good cup of coffee. You know me, Jennifer. I love my coffee.
Yes, I know. Coffee is your best friend. But today we are talking about other friends, our words.
Oh, I like that. So what is today's topic?
Today, we are talking about essential English phrases for daily conversations. These are phrases you use every day.
That's a great topic. Sometimes learners know many words, but they don't know how to use them in real life.
Exactly. We want to help our listeners feel confident at the shop, at work, or when talking to a neighbor.
That sounds perfect. I'm ready to learn. But wait, Jennifer, before we start, we have to ask our listeners for a small favor.
Yes, you're right. Everyone, if you enjoy our podcast, please like this episode.
And don't forget to subscribe to English Podcast with FTJ. It really helps us.
Also, share this podcast with your friends who are learning English.
Okay, now I'm ready. Jennifer, what's the first phrase for today?
Let's start with greetings. We often say hello or how are you, but people use other phrases too.
That's true. I hear people say, how's it going?
Yes, how's it going is very common and very friendly.
Does how's it going mean the same as how are you?
Yes, but it sounds more relaxed.
I like that. And how do I answer?
You can say, it's going well, thank you, or simply, good, thanks.
Good, thanks. That's easy. Another popular phrase is what's up.
I hear that in movies. Is it okay to say it to everyone?
It's best for friends or people you know well. It's very informal.
So I shouldn't say, what's up, to my boss.
No, how are you today is better for your boss.
Got it. Boss, how are you today? Friend, what's up?
Perfect. Now let's talk about being polite. This is very important in English.
Yes, please and thank you are very important.
Exactly. Another useful phrase is excuse me.
Like when I want to ask a question?
Yes. For example, excuse me, where is the station?
So it's like a polite hello before a question.
That's a great way to say it. And what do you say if you make a mistake?
I say, I'm sorry.
Right. And if you don't hear someone, you can say, sorry?
With a question sound.
Yes. It means, can you say that again?
That's very helpful. People speak fast sometimes.
They do. Another polite phrase is, could you repeat that, please?
I like that. It sounds kind and safe.
Exactly. Now let's talk about shops and restaurants.
Oh, I get nervous there.
Don't worry. A useful phrase is, how much is this?
And I point to the item.
Yes. And if you want to buy it, you say, I'll take it.
I'll take it. Easy.
At a cafe, you can say, can I have a coffee, please?
That sounds much nicer than give me coffee.
Yes, can I have is polite and friendly. Can I have a green tea, please? Here you go. And when you want to pay, you ask, can I have the check, please? The check, that's the paper with the price, right? Yes, in some places people say the bill, and in some places they say the check. Both are correct. Okay, can I have the bill, please? I'm saving that in my mind. Good. Now, what if you want to offer help to a friend? I can say, do you need help? That's great. Or you can say, can I help you with that? Can I help you with that? That sounds very kind. It is. People really like hearing that. And when someone helps me, I say, thank you so much. Yes. And the other person can say, you're welcome. Or no problem? Exactly. No problem is very relaxed. Jennifer, what if I'm in a conversation and I want to show I'm listening? I don't want to sit there like a statue. That's a great question. We use listening phrases. Listening phrases? Yes, phrases like I see, really, and that's interesting. I see. Does that mean I'm looking at something? No, here I see means I understand. Ah, I see. So if you tell me a story, I can say, I see. Exactly. And if something is surprising, you can say, really? Really, I like that one. And if the story is good, you can say, that's great, or that's awesome. That's awesome. I feel like a real English speaker now. You are a real English speaker, Jack. You just need practice. Practice is the hard part. It doesn't have to be. You can practice when you walk, or even when you're alone at home. Talking to myself at home? Why not? I talk to my coffee cup sometimes. Okay, you win. Now let's talk about saying goodbye. Goodbye is fine, but there are better ways. Like, see you later? Yes, or see you soon. What's the difference? See you later is often for the same day. See you soon is just friendly. And have a nice day? I hear that everywhere. Yes, it's very positive. I like take care. Is that okay? It's perfect. It shows you care. So, see you later, have a nice day, and take care. Perfect. Now, imagine this. You're at a party and you meet someone new. A party? I like parties. You walk up and say, hello, I'm Jack. What's your name? The person says, I'm Maria. Then I say, nice to meet you, Maria. Excellent. That's the best phrase for meeting someone new. Then it gets quiet. That's the scary part. Don't worry. Ask a simple question. Do you like the music? Great. Or how do you know our host? That's a good one. Or say, it's a great party, isn't it? Isn't it? That invites their opinion. Exactly. It keeps the conversation going. This really helps. People think English needs big, difficult sentences. But simple phrases are often the best. I want my English to flow like a river. It will. Just keep your toolbox full of phrases. My toolbox is getting big today. Good. Now, imagine you're at work. A colleague asks, what do you think about the new office? If I agree, I say, I agree with you. Yes. And if you're not sure? I'm not sure about that. Perfect. That's polite and friendly.
Yes, avoid saying you are wrong. It's better to say, I see your point, but...
I see your point, but... Wow, Jennifer, that sounds very professional.
Thank you. It's a great phrase for work and business.
I am learning so much today. My head is full of new phrases.
Don't worry, we're almost done. Let's talk about one more situation. You're at a friend's house.
My friend invites me for dinner. I arrive at the door and ring the bell.
Your friend opens the door. What do you say?
I say, hi, thank you for inviting me.
Perfect. And maybe you have a small gift.
Yes, I say, this is for you.
Excellent. Your friend says, oh, thank you. Come in.
I go inside and see the house. It's very nice. I say, you have a beautiful home.
That's a wonderful compliment. Compliments are like magic in conversations.
Magic words. You have a beautiful home. I like your shirt. The food is delicious.
Exactly. Compliments make people feel happy and relaxed.
I want to use more compliments. I want to be a conversation magician.
I love that, Jack. You are the conversation magician.
Thank you, Jennifer. You are a great teacher.
That's very kind. Thank you.
See? Compliments really work.
They do. Today, we talked about many useful phrases.
Yes, greetings, politeness, shopping, work, and parties.
It was a busy episode, but a fun one.
And the phrases feel easy to use.
They are. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. Just try.
Small mistakes are okay. The important thing is to talk.
Exactly. Communication, not perfection.
That's my favorite rule.
Now, before we go, let's quickly remember what we learned.
We started with greetings, like how's it going and what's up.
Then polite phrases like excuse me, sorry, and could you repeat that please?
My cafe favorites, can I have a coffee please, and can I have the check?
And listening phrases like I see and really?
Plus compliments like that's awesome and I like your style.
And finally, saying goodbye. See you later and take care.
Wow, we really covered a lot today.
We did, and we hope you enjoyed it.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Yes, please leave a comment and tell us your favorite English phrase.
Or tell us about a time you used one of these phrases.
We love reading your comments and seeing you practice.
And if you like this episode, please subscribe to English Podcast with FTJ.
Give us a like and share this podcast with your friends.
Let's grow our English community together.
Okay, Jack, I think that's it for today.
Yes, I'm going to practice my phrases now.
Good luck, Jack.
Thank you, Jennifer. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.
Take care.
Have a nice day.